in another video. So today we're gonna play Animal Hospital. We're already on shift 4. This is meditation. We're with oh, look. Bro, I'm lagging so bad. And my battery, 13 battery. 13 battery on my phone, bro. Wait, where the hell is the charger? Be prepared, the ambulance is coming. Bro, this is the emergency shift. Okay, so I'm gonna do coffee now. I don't. Oh gosh! Hello, Big Monster. Hey, welcome, Big Monster. Don't worry. And bro, why don't you look up? I'm gonna look up. What's wrong with being Canadian? I'm just gonna get some maple syrup. Why the hell is it not shooting? Yes, I got maple syrup. Where is it? Where? I am lagging. Bre, you're not supposed to talk in the video, you know? Okay, wait. Okay, you can talk. Okay, you can talk. Okay, you can talk. You can talk. Bro, I am so laggy when I have battery, bro. I'm gonna fix this camera, okay? You know you can. Okay, okay. I have this one fast cola, and I just drink it earlier. Medicine. So I have this one. I'm not a secretary. I am a head nurse. And okay, just for my Filipino subscribers, I can speak Tagalog. Because almost all of my subscribers are Filipino, I think. Because I am Filipino too. Which is actually cool. Not all of them. Maple syrup. Best doctor ever. Hands down. Thanks, bro. Room 4. RH1 in room 4. Shot. Dead. That, that ritual is dead. Guys, I'm a kid. Don't blame me. Don't blame me that I am a kid. There's also one. Did you know there's two curtains? Why are not pulling it? It's not that much of a waste. Take fire extinguisher. I did said, oh, fire exit. Yeah, scalpel, scissors, and wake up cake. Rejoice. If you guys know, there is a new huge update that happened over here that even Dr. Harlow's different. Hmm, I'm a ghost. More? What? A bonus? I was actually playing on the bed. Good. What, what did we get? Oh, the shop is open. We're already buying stuff. Kaso, speed boost bibilihan ko ha. I already have all. Hi, Ron. That last guy got eaten by the bed monster. Yeah. It's okay. We have the teaser. Combined. Who's the bowl? Which one? Sure. What help Ron? What room? Two. Kung season, you know. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm helping this guy. Natulungan ko na to. Put that guy in the trash can. Bandages. Maybe here. There's two vomits. What? There's two vomits. Oh, it's only this because it's vomit. I couldn't just run. I clean the lime. Bandages and what is else? What? Something evil's coming. See alert. Evil? Hell no, I did not just rock you. I think he's telling a lie. So, ew. Gosh. No, it is not right here. It's right here. It is not right here. It is all this freaking camera. I think in this other person. To breathe up the you, to breathe up the you, to breathe up Ah! The hider! The hider got no. I only need ointment. I heard something. What's there something? I heard a monster. A skinwalker. Yeah. I heard something. Like there's a little skinwalker. I'm a skinwalker. Leggings. Oh, roughly. Ouch! Why you do that to me? No, I just know for this voice. Rash. Okay, a rash. Rash. Ointment. That's what the other guy wanted. What? I am a head nurse. Head nurse dehydration boosters. Medicine IV jumps medkit. Medicine IV jumps medkit. Medicine IV drops. Where's the? Oh yeah, the medkit. Medicine IV medkit. Yeah, all right. Let's go. But why is there another vomit right here? Yeah, probably. Here. The what? Sequence? I forgot. Two. Was there is there a hider in here? Was there a hider? No, wait. I'm just gonna try to. The other one was too short. Bruh. Did not put in correctly. Okay, yes, it is finally charging, bruh. Well, I'm just gonna hit me. No. Red Darren Flash. Ano? Soda. Cola. Cola, alam mo? 78 pa kayo. Or 70%. And the rate is gonna be 69. It's 9. Yay! Yay! Dr. Harlow. I ambush ako. Hoax or hope. What is it? Insanity is important. Don't die on me. I think with notifications. Oh my god. If the hospital goes 3 deaths, it's over. You haven't killed anyone. I know, right? I know, right? I know the animal you. But you know animal deaths, right? We got good. 175. Oh, come on, there's no bonus. Bro, what the hell? We cannot use this cute teddy bear. It's 1,000. It's $1,000. I know, why the hell? Can we roll the shop? Something. What? Roll. Yeah, I want to turn on the AC. I mean, turn on the AC. It's only number 3, okay? What's the number? Someone is right there. Someone. 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 Can you please look number there in the other window? That guy really pooped on the floor. Yeah, you could have just thrown him in a trash can. No, I'm gonna keep him. Okay. Probably more money. It's your choice. Can you please grab it if you can do something? You know, I'm trying to like you. Me? No, us. You want me to think I'm kaya one anomaly? You treat me just like anyone else. I appreciate that. Right. Ratu. Yeah, it's Rat, you know. He's an anomaly. His big brother is the stalker. His brother is stalker. Yes. And the stalker has almost like both have You know, like rat, almost like mouse ears. Well, okay, does it look like a rat? Okay, I will be the one checking in. Okay, only 4% left. I admit my name is not Kolo. True. Bro, what else? Bro, you're not super you got things testing something. Testing something. They're infected. The one, the anomaly. Well, most like what? Are you see the picture? I'm still sitting in the patient. Ron and this other guy. Everyone is normal. Yeah. Oh, I only 65. Hello. Joy White has tweeted. Joy Miss Joy from my grade 1 class, bruh. No one will know. Yes, no one will know. Who are you? Who are you? Look at the hammers for this guy. Anomaly dead. Anomaly dead. Anomaly dead. Eh, eh, eh. Two anomalies. Just, him. Check the test. Three anomalies. Ah, pinching the fire. Okay, okay, okay. I'm gonna Mhm. Yeah, you know, guys. No, I don't know. Come on, check it. Don't worry, patay. Patay na siya. Patay namang charger ng cellphone ko lagi. Roommate, roommate. My phone is not gonna die. Yeah, this is so chaotic. We are already on shift. I almost shot. Yes, you were actually in the way. Why were you in the way? Why are you in the way? This guy is normal. First picture. Visitor. That guy was an anomaly. Now I have normal gun. Bro, doesn't need ointment now. Just fine, he's fine. Doesn't need one. I'm sure that guy is not an anomaly. Yes, that guy is not an anomaly. Wait, what happened to this guy? hope you're not. Did we just like see a flickering guy? Like a twitching guy? A freaking twitching guy? I think I'm really moving for. Yeah. Lucy Robin. Telling me room. Okay, okay. They're already on shift. They're already on shift. Yes. Oh, I can live just in time. Woo, 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 woo. Yes, I know. I close this on the patient. I'm gonna open this. I don't care. X-ray. X-ray. Come to sequence. Pink, green, red, pink. Pink, green, red, pink. Yeah. Oh my god, I got scared. What does this thing mean? Oh, both are broken. Cough syrup, maple syrup. No! Maple syrup, cough syrup. It doesn't matter what, ano, what. Yeah. Finally. Uh, Dr. Harlow didn't arrive today. Dr. Harlow didn't arrive. Where was he gone? Did he go with his girlfriend? Your bro has a wife, right? Mommy, can you shoot this guy? Yeah, that's easy. Did we have to pass our record? No. Blah, 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 blah. Ron from accounting. Like me in Brookhaven, I'm Ron. Accounting in Brookhaven. It's my phone, right? Is that online, bruh? You are me. You are me. Is this an anomaly? No, it's not. Girl needs to disappear for a while. Rafi, the animal corporations have to be. I didn't hear this before. I want to chat with you. Okay? Rafi said he wants to chat with us now. Why? He's cute. He's a baby. Yes, he's a baby. He's a baby. No, that guy's not a grown man. He's gonna go here. Rasu. He went inside their office. Yay. He's gonna sit here. Stop. Yay. I didn't know that Anna. He could go in here. Oh, and can I fix the Anna? I've been checking in patients. Dr. Harlow's just sitting there. So I want to put this guy in first. And then close the shutters on the other guy. Oh, you have a printer? That's for the Robux. How much is the Robux? Bro, we are broke. Ah, I don't know. It's just eating. What's the fun even look down here? What's down here? Now I me. I'm just taking a break. Yeah. What do you about being a rat? Yeah, I know, right? Dr. Harrow didn't pay the hospital bill. Bro forgot again. Always. What? Oh, Rocky said he will disappear for a while. He said, I made myself. Hmm? But I see you on the camera. Yes. Yeah. You look like a sheep. You're a sheep. Kapay. Yes, I am still filling them in. I'm still filling them in. Green spiders. Blame blabblers. Yeah. Oh, bro, just put this in the trash can. No one will know. Look, okay, wait. Guys, pause, pause, pause. I said pause, bro. Guys, don't mind me while I'm blowing my nose. Wait, guys, don't mind me. It's gonna be like, is this video like gonna be 1 hour or something? Guys, only 1 minute left before I end this video. You know that before I go sleep. That's the time that I end. I can just say this guy. What is happening that guy? Bro, we don't need you. No, kidding. I got it. Did I just poop while ano? I throw away the body. Treat remaining patients too. I'm just gonna check with Razu, okay? Check with Razu. He's still sitting here before he disappears. We might go away in like a minute. You know what I do like? No, I don't know. Razu, I don't know what to do like. Your name is Razu. So I might like rat. The quarters just mean the vent. You are you Huggy Wuggy? This is Huggy Wuggy. You need coffee. I might need coffee more. Oh, we're about to pass our shift record. Look! Look at the guy. Lola or Lola? Oh, I'm so close up to Russ's face. Bro, why is this for me? Bro, the hospital, you're never gonna let me? The key? I got the key. I think I know where it goes.
Where?
Break poster! Huh? Break poster. Actually, this break poster. Look!
Top secret.
It's retina. Retina. The experiment was a shadow. Now sees everything. Look! It's Ron's top secret.
No.
And what's Retina's picture here? Who left it here? And the note.
I have just the paper in room.
Wait, I am seeing. I am investigating this. Who left it here? Did Raju leave this? Did Raju leave this?
Maybe.
Who left this? Did the shadow leave this behind? Or did Raju? Or the stalker? Who? Raju didn't know. He also had an older brother. Yeah. And that. I'm gonna go in room 8 now, okay?
Yeah, you
Let's
can.
investigate. I'm gonna go in room 4 first. I'm doing my run back and forth.
Patient on fire outside. Ointment.
I have 800. Oh, matcha. Minty. I have minty. Wow, this is
Lovely.
minty. Yes. Look at this.
Yeah. Fit the picture in room 80.
I'm checking the patient in room 4. Bleeding headache. Herbs. Bandages. Medicine. Why is there no antibiotics, right? So like whatever goes first. So I'm wait. Right treatment. You use the eye drops to smooth the mass of ice. It seems to calm down. Ah, um, there was a mass of ice. Mass. Bro, I am a ghost, you know?
Hmm.
Is this a patient? Don't worry. So the eye of mass is ano, I hope that will
Are you there?
use
So
the
it's
eye,
okay for
use
you.
the eye drop and look
Yeah.
up. Try to, use eye drops, okay? It might calm down. Or do you want me to do it? Fine, whatever. So Mr. Beast, 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 Mr. Beast. Did you use the item to smooth the mass of ice? It seems to calm down. Look up, okay? Look up.
There's another one over here.
Bruh, why are there so many? I want to drink my matcha. Plus two. Fresh mint. Monster, help! It's going after you. I'm fine. 25%. Maybe later. I really need coffee. I haven't been boring.
Currently 25%.
No, not now.
How do you have? How much energy do you have?
Wait. Good job, play Animal Hospital. Smiling too.
Who are you talking to?
My friend, Katie. Hey guys, that I'm showing some. Wait. Bro, why always queue? I am playing already. Yes, I am playing already.
Nine done. Who?
Yes. How about
No.
Barney? He hasn't showed up yet.
Oh no, critical patient in 3. Oh, it's okay.
I think
No, no, no. No, 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 no.
don't you dare face that at me.
Yung seven fire, bro. Seven fire.
Sorry, I'm trying to ano.
Ano, 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 may fire extinguisher ba?
Oh, meron. Oh, ano ka lang. Bro, I found the big icon. Wait, maple syrup thermo. Thermo? Maple syrup.
Ano, patient on fire. Where's the patient on fire? Where's the patient on fire? I don't know where the patient is on fire. Oh, I don't
Why be
know.
careful, there's a hider, huh? Do not look. Someone died? Critical patient in room 6!
Somebody died. Room, room 6, room 6. No. Oh no, oh shit, oh shit.
Bro!
Room 6, bro. Mama, tayo.
Mom,
Are you in room 6?
yes!
First.
Green, blue, yellow.
Oh, we died.
We are gonna die.
Oh no.
But Barney, yeah. Don't blame me on Barney. That. Ouch!
The heck?
Another hider talaga.
Oh,
I bought
okay.
chocolate.
Okay. There's a patient here.
Okay. Yes, heart scan complete. What do I need? Stomach ache bruises. Herbs medkit. Herbs medkit. Herbs. Yes,
I'm done here.
I got eye drops just in case. I'm done. He's already dead.
I'm so sorry. Ah!
It's good.
Tayo mo na may gusto ko
A
this.
crawling guy? Wait, I know! Mommy, let me do the job. I almost died.
Go drink coffee. Go drink coffee.
8% sanity.
Okay,
Because of that. I already bought it.
oh
Critical
no.
bone. Where's Dr. Harlow? Oh, I am the best. Oh, the label is gone. Oh, there's no chocolate. Deploy. Wait, can you reroll? I might need some coffee. I didn't drink the coffee though.
You already drank coffee, di ba?
Yes, but I only have 22.
Kapag ako na lang bahala muna.
Uh,
2 cameras down.
should I reset something?
That's okay.
Where's the
You will not
airplane?
die.
I have 22 sanity.
It's enough pa.
It's only
Mamaya
11.
mo dito pa matutulog na tayo.
Yes. Guys, I literally forgot about you. I was just saying.
Turn it off na.
Okay,
Your
what
screen recording.
okay, bye guys. Thanks. I'll see you on the next video. 6